These are the elevators at the located in the West Tower at the CI Health St. Elizabeth in Lincoln, Nebraska. These are OTIS Series 1 from 2001. So here we go. We got the left car. Let's go on to LL. Oh. I don't want that car.
What?
Because I want to get this one.
Okay. Call the other one.
Sorry about that. Let's go on to LL. Here we're LL. 6. Oh, 6 works. But the East Tower doesn't. Or traction too. Here are 6. Back to 1. This is the car pound kind of like Escalator Geek AA1. And also there's the service elevators here. We're going to take a look at the service elevators. It's a nice cab. Kind of identical to the parking garage. Fixtures, Series 1. It's an OTIS. 33,000 pounds. There it goes. And that's it.